Let's welcome back Brookdale Senior Living CEO Cindy Byer. Cindy, welcome back. Good to have you with us. It's heartening, I'm sure, that occupancy levels are returning. They're rising. Do you have enough people? Can you find enough workers to serve the people in the facilities?
We are very grateful, Tyler, that we have had 8 consecutive months of sequential occupancy growth. It is our best sequential occupancy growth in 6 years. And there is no question that it's a tight labor market, but we're able to hire dedicated, caring workers to take care of our seniors, and that has really driven our growth. We're pretty excited about the industry. We saw growth in every single segment, with our strongest growth in our assisted living and memory care segment.
Are you having to pay more to get or retain the workers that you're able to recruit?
There is no question that compensation is a headwind, but we focus on making sure that we pay appropriate compensation, that we give our workers the chance for learning and development, the opportunity for promotion. In fact, we just promoted 3 senior leaders who together have a combined 80 years of experience. They're a real power trio.
Let's talk to the vaccination issue, and that would be both of the residents of the homes that you operate and also the labor. What are those rates of vaccination, and what do you say to the individuals who are in the remainder, in other words, do not want to or for whatever reason cannot be vaccinated?
Tyler, we view vaccines as shots of hope, and we are very proud of the culture that we've created for vaccine acceptance. Today, approximately 95% of our residents are vaccinated, and 95% of our eligible associates are vaccinated as well. For those who haven't yet taken the shot, I encourage you to do so. That is the strongest way to protect you and those you love against COVID-19.
Cindy, is the lack of long-term care insurance a headwind for you?
You know, we are excited about the increases in Social Security that our residents will be seeing next year. We do think that senior living is an affordable alternative. It's much cheaper than aging in place at home, and you get to live in a community among friends.
Again, I think that there are maybe people who would like those services but literally can't afford them. I think I was told the other day that long-term care insurance provides only like 5 or 10% of the total spend on facilities like yours.
I do think that long-term care insurance is an important way to plan, but it's important to note that the vast majority of our residents do pay for our services on a private pay basis. They often do that by their home or by making investments in addition to their retirement income.
Did I understand you correctly, Cindy? Did you say that living in a Brookdale Senior Living facility is cheaper than aging in place at home? How can that be?
Well, think about what you get as part of the senior living experience. You get your home, your place to live. You're freed from maintenance. You have your meals cooked and prepared for you. Someone takes care of your house so you don't have to worry about that. And then you get the support that you need to live the life that's best for you. When you consider all of that, it's an incredible value for our residents. And I think that's why our industry is growing. As we started the segment, we've seen 8 sequential consecutive months of occupancy growth. And that shows that more and more seniors see our industry as a place they want to grow older with.
It's interesting to me. I mean, if I was a senior, and I've gone through this with my late aunt, if I'm an individual who already owns my home, my expenses might, and maybe it's a 1-bedroom condo, my expenses might be really limited to my condo fee and to my property taxes. I'm very surprised to hear you say that all in, your properties compete with that.
Well, think about this. Even if you own your own home, there's an opportunity cost for the value of that home. You would earn interest if you sold it and you invested the money, and so that's what we're comparing it to. Again, we see a great environment for our industry. We have both supply and demand in our favor. Our supply has the fewest units under construction since at least 2015, and we see 1 million new potential seniors entering our target market every year.
Well, that is for sure. I mean, the demographics are a definite help to a business like yours.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.